Hello, my name is Remartrello from COT21A Automotive. My report is all about planetary gear construction and operation, and explain how bands and clutches control planetary gears. Ano nga ba ang planetary gears? An epicyclic gear train consists of two gears mounted so that the center of one gear revolves around the center of the others. A carrier connects the center of two gears and rotates the planet and the sun gears mesh so that their pitch circles roll without lips. Planetary gear set is made of three types of gears: a sun of gears, planet gears, and ring gears. The sun gear is located at the center, the yellow, and transmit torque to the planet gears, blue, which are typically mounted on a movable carrier, green. Planetary gears is a type of gear system comprised of spur gears in planetary gearing, also known as epicyclic gearing. A center gear called the sun gear serve as input and the driver set. Three or more driver gears referred to as planets rotate around the sun gear. Finally, the planets engage with the ring gear from the inside, which make an internal spur gear design. Because the planet gears are evenly distributed around the sun, planetary gear trains are known to be extremely rude design. Another benefit of a planetary gear set is that it is easy to convert to a different ratio by simply changing out the carrier and sun gears. Planetary gear set uses spur gears that move opposite of each other within the same plane, while spur gears are a more basic type of gear in terms of engineering, since they do not utilize specialty angles or cut like bevel or herringbone gearing. They are complex in the tooth shape design. Depending on the application, this tooth design will determine where the teeth make contact, which then determines the available power, torque, and speed potential of gears. Planetary gears design are used in wide range of application, including automotive and off-road transmission, wheel drive motors, industrial conveying application, and others. In fact, even a seemingly simple application like a vehicle uses planetary gearing to power the shifting mechanism. In addition, they can be used as powertrain between internal combustion engines or connected to electric motors. Planetary gears are the heart of the modern engineering and are used gearbox that power everything from basic planetary to cutting-edge electric vehicles. The simple configuration of a center drive and orbiting gears was developed thousands of years ago to model the movements of the planets. Today, engineers use planetary gears in application that demands high torque density, operational efficiently and durability. In this article, we explore the uh, operation, how planetary gears works, and where you might find them. Planetary gear. Planetary gears orbit around the sun gear and, mesh with an outer outer ring gear ping. Planetary gear system can vary complexity from very simple to intricate compound system depending on the application. A planetary gear mechanism is a gear consists of four components, namely Sun Gear A, several planet gears B, internal gear C, and carrier D that connects the planet gears as in the connects planetary gears as seen as in the picture. It has a very complex structure, rendering its design or production most difficult. It can realize that high reduction ratio through gears. However, it is a mechanism suited to a reduction mechanism that requires both small and high performance, such as transmission for automobiles. Where are planetary gear system used? Planetary gears are obtained use when space and weight are an issue, but a large amount of speed reduction and torque are needed. This requirement applies to a variety of industries, including tractors and construction equipment, where a large amount of torque is needed to drive the wheels. Other places you will find planetary gear set include the turbine engines, automatic transmission, and even electric screwdrivers. Planetary gear system are able to produce a lot of torque because the load is shared among multiple planet gear. This arrangement also create more contact surface and a larger contact area between the gear that traditional parallel access gear system. Because of this, in the load is more evenly distributed, and therefore the gears are more resistant the damage. How does the planetary gears works? Planetary gearbox are type of gearbox where the input and output both the same center of the rotation. That means that the center of the input gear revolves around the center of the output gear, and the input and output sharp align. The alignment of the gears can be compared by the solar system, where the planets revolve around the sun, hence the name planetary gearbox. In the middle of the planetary gearbox, there is a sun gear, also known as a central gear. This is obtained that input gear around the outside. There are two or more planet gears or outer gears surrounding the planet gears. There is a ring gear which holds the information together. The planet gears are connected by a carrier which turn is connected to the output shaft. The gear wheels previously referred to as idler gears are generally referred to as planet gears, and the centrally located external gear is referred to as sun gear. The internally toothed gear wheel is generally called ring gears or annulus. At this point, the necessity of the symmetrical arrangement of the planet gears becomes also apparent, as otherwise enormous unbalanced forces would occur the high rotational speed. With the planetary gears, it is not only possible to lock firm the ring gear and let the output take place to the carrier. Many other variants are possible, each with a different transmission ratio. This makes the planetary gear particularly suitable for transmission, such as hub gears or vehicles or automatic transmission of automobiles. The advantage of uh, planetary gears over conventional stationary transmissions is their compact design and the advantage uh, that shape are all crucial for very large transmission ratios. It is also possible to connect several planetary gears in series. The different gears are sometimes called the sun gears. The ring gear and the planetary gear that arrange of the gears determines how much power will flow from a gear to another and out the drive strain of the vehicle when you shift. Uh, a band serves as uh, mechanism with a concept of operation similar to multiple clutch, but there is no one distinct. How bands and clutches control planetary gears? Planetary gear train is a mechanical system in which that gears are connected with a set bands and clutches. When the driver changes gears, the bands hold one gear still while rotating another transmit torque from the engine and increase or decrease gears. A transmission bands is strictly stopping and holding component, uh, while clutches are intended for holding and running a part of the planetary gear set. Uh, Brake bands and clutches actuate the changing of gears in the planetary gear set. Brake bands uh, tighten to hold a particular gear stationary or loosen the enable that gear to spin, and it is the combination of the stationary and spinning gears in the gear set that produce individual gear ratio. Uh, Yun lang po, and then thank you and God bless.